Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you what is inside a scale inhibitor. Well, this is the scale inhibitor that I had and it has a leak. So I replaced that with a 26 pounds scale inhibitor from B&Q. So what is inside a scale inhibitor that makes it quite expensive, 26 pounds for just a piece of plastic, and I will show you what is inside. So I cut that and I opened that. So inside that there is just plastic, nothing, and there is a kind of grid, metal grid, plus two magnets. So what you get from your scale inhibitor is a metal grid and two magnets. The magnets are quite strong, and yep, this is what you get from that. Thank you for watching and subscribe.